Hey, you! Yeah, you! The one watching this video over Wi-Fi right now. Ever wondered how this thing actually works? We took regular sand, well, silicon, ran electricity through it, and boom! Now we can watch cat videos while sitting on the toilet. That's not just technology, that's straight up magic. Give an iPad and a Wi-Fi router to an ancient Roman, and he'd probably think you're Jupiter himself, coming down from Olympus to bless mortals with memes. So, want to know how it all works? Spoiler, it's not exactly simple, but hey, let's figure it out together. All right, your laptop and router talk to each other using light. No, not the kind from your lamp or a laser pointer. We're talking about a special, invisible kind of light, radio waves. Picture our rainbow. The one you see with your eyes, just a tiny slice of the full light spectrum. Everything else, invisible. Infrared, ultraviolet, radio waves, and more. Wi-Fi lives somewhere in that radio zone. And here's the cool thing. These waves can pass right through walls. Think of sunlight going through a window. Same idea, just weaker. But the farther you are from your router, the weaker it gets. And suddenly your cat videos start loading like it's 2005 all over again. Okay, so your router and phone are shouting at each other with invisible light. But how does that light turn into a video of a cat falling off a couch? It's all about ones and zeros, the digital language. Imagine your router as a tiny flashlight blinking like crazy. One blink means 1. A pause means 0. Blink, blink, pause, blink becomes 1101001. And that happens millions of times per second. That's the invisible Morse code that turns into your videos, your music, or your calls. The router sends signals and your laptop's antenna catches and decodes them. But wait, if everyone around you is using the same invisible light, why do you see your own stream and not your neighbor's Skype call with Aunt Susan? That's where the real engineering magic kicks in. Wi-Fi doesn't just use one channel, it uses many. Picture a giant highway. Every lane is a channel. Your router's driving on retro FM, while your neighbor's cruising on top 40 hits. Your laptop, tuned to your station, ignores the rest. If one lane gets too crowded, too many devices, your router just jumps to a clearer one. Smart, right? Now, how does your phone know which router is yours? That's what I like to call a digital marriage. When you connect for the first time, your router's like, hey, I'm a router. My name is TP-Link1488, and I've got a password. You enter it, your phone says, got it, and they seal the deal. From then on, everything's encrypted, and everyone else just hears gibberish. And of course, someone thinks, aha, I'll intercept the key and eavesdrop. Not so fast. Engineers invented frequency hopping. Your router and phone don't stay on one channel. They jump between them hundreds of times per second, following a secret schedule. Imagine whispering to your friend while changing rooms every second. Someone might catch one word, but by the time they tune in, boom, you're already gone. Good luck keeping up. And that's how Wi-Fi works. A bit of physics, a bit of magic, and a whole lot of engineering brilliance. We literally took sand, electricity, and made invisible light run through invisible highways carrying encrypted messages. All so you can scroll memes without leaving the toilet. Nothing complicated, right? Now you know enough to head into the woods, find some sticks and stones, and build your own Wi-Fi. Go for it! And if it doesn't work, just hit that like button. It's free and really helps the channel. Subscribe, tap the bell, and may your signal always stay strong.